Welcome. My name is Artisan Brown, and I am keeping it real. No hype, no BS. The new posting ads for cash system. Learning the pieces of the puzzle one step at a time. This is your Wix training. And I'm going to give you an antonym over and over and over again throughout this video. Success requires action. You have come to the welcome page and quick start guide to get the free training. Now, if you've bought into the system, this is still free. Okay, this isn't extra. But if you have decided not to buy into the system and you just want the free training, this is still for you. Step 1, get your Wix account. Step 2, download Jing screen capture tool. Step 3, start building your simple one-page website. SRA. Success requires action. Now, I'm going to give you a Wix.com link. You're going to click that link. It's going to take you over to a page like this. And you're going to hit the step 1 is to start a new account where it says login. And then it'll guide you through setting up an account. I'm not going to go through that. You've all done it many, many times. Step 2, start your new site here, which is this, and it'll be basically a blank page, but it'll say start new site. You're going to click that button that says start new site. Step 3 is you're going to click the templates button at the very top in the menu bar. This button right here, you're going to hit templates, and it's going to bring up this page. You're going to click where it says blank templates. It's going to take you over to a page like this, and you can see it highlighted. Step 4, pick this layout and push the edit button. Now, I'm going to point out that this page may be a little different than the screenshot, but the issue is you want this one-page layout where it says one-page layout, and you can see this is where a video goes. After you've hit this edit button, it's going to take you over a page like this. It's going to be pretty much blank, and you're going to be able to manipulate pretty much everything on the page. Now, on this website, you're going to see a link for TechSmith. You're going to hit that link, and it's going to take you over to this page, and you're going to hit download. Now, if you have a screen capture tool, then this is completely it's not necessary to do. We are about to begin our journey into the wonderful world of Wix. This is far more simple than you think. I've set up a step-by-step plan to overcome your fear of the unknown. You are about to learn a basic skill to marketing. Once you have learned how to build your website, you will start to see why you need this skill. That means the system trains your signups and customers. That is why it's important to make the one-page website. Let's begin the step-by-step training now. Remember, you have control. This is your website. You can change it after you have learn the basics. And when I say that, that's the truth. It is your account, it is your website, and hey, you know what? If you want to build a whole nother website, you are more than welcome to do it because it's yours. You're going to learn the basics how to manipulate this website to your advantage. And in the back offices of this program, I'm going to pack you full of information of free methods of how to take your business to a different level. I'm going to pause the video, and then we're going to move over to beginning to make the website. Okay, we're going to start in on our Wix training. I'm going to say this as quickly as I can. Video 1, Video 2 are introductory from Wix. Video 3 and Video 4 are a general overview what you can do with Wix and how you can make a website from scratch. It's real basic, good idea to watch these videos. You don't have to. I think the first one's like 12 minutes and the fourth one's like 17 minutes. If you want to just breeze through it and just kind of get a general overview of what you're going to be doing, that's not a bad idea, but I put it on there just so you can kind of see what you can do with Wix. Now, you're going to hit this link and you're going to set up an account by hitting the login button on this page. You're going to hit the login button, which actually is going to look like this. You're going to hit this login button and boom. Okay? You're going to hit the templates button and then come over where it says blank templates. You're going to click the blank templates button. It's going to be highlighted, and you're going to come over here and you're going to click on where it says one page layout. Now I'm going to point out that this may be changed. The screen capture picture might be different than what you see, so hit one page layout. Hit the edit button. It's going to bring you up a page that looks like this. Step 6 is to download your Jing tool, which is this right here. That's the live link. And go over here, hit free download. Now, what you're going to do, if you have a screen capture tool, you do not need to do this. I'm going to give you an example of capturing a picture with the tool. Boom. You're going to hit capture image and you're going to save it on your computer. Now the best part about the fact that you're using the screen capture tool is you are not opening your computer up to viruses. So that's one. You're going to be using this tool all the time for all kinds of things. I guarantee it. Go down and capture each one of these pictures. Keep going down, keep it going down, put each one of these pictures on your computer. This link here is going to be a link that you're going to come back later and grab and put in your on your website. So let's get into building the website. Okay, you're going to hit templates. You're going to come down to where it says blank templates. You can hit blank templates. Come over here and hit edit. You're opening the Wix editor. Now, as you can see, it's blank. None of this, all this can go. You're going to highlight this, and we're going to go to this little trash can here and hit delete. We're going to do the same thing here, and we're going to hit delete. We're going to go over to here, right click, and come down where it says change style. Personalize header. Come down to background. Come down to where it's the red. It says background center. See, this is still lit up. Hit that arrow. Come down. Hit the red button. Hit OK. Hit OK. And hit the X. Come over to this. Come over to where it says image. hit the image button. We don't want it with a frame. You're going to right click, come over where it says change image. Now remember, you uploaded or downloaded these pictures on your computer. Well, this is going to be empty. You're not going to have any pictures in there, so you're going to have to upload images. And I'll show you kind of what this does. It's going to bring up pictures on your. You're going to have to go find where your pictures are on your computer and open that file up. Okay, but this, like I said, you're going to have your images in there, and you're going to grab the image and you're going to upload it. Each one of the ones that you grabbed with Jing. Alright, so now we're gonna grab our banner picture. Now there's little dots that can change the size of your picture. You want it to position it to where it looks right. You may have to keep playing with this until it fits within these lines. I mean, you can go outside the lines a little bit, but you want to kind of stick within that. See this little button? You can move this like this. Now everything is kind of intuitive. You click on the items that you want to change. See what I just did? You have your banner placed in place. We're going to go to this plus sign, go over to text, and we're going to write some text in here. So this is kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see it. We're going to drag it up here, and we're going to change the text. We're going to write something in here. Learning the pieces whoops. Well, that don't look right. Learning the pieces of the puzzle today. Okay. This is like any word processor. You can highlight things. I right-clicked and highlighted it. You're going to go over here. We're going to, well, we can change it up. We're just going to change the, here's the color font. We're going to pick a yellow color. Make it bold. Okay. See how that kind of changed a little bit? We're gonna have to manipulate that a little bit. Okay. As you can see, we have a banner now. Now, the next step is we're going to change this background because it's ugly looking. So we're going to go up here where it says design. Go down where it says background. We're going to scroll all the way down to where it says upload custom background. And I'm not going to save this because this is just an example of what it looks like. So we're going to change image. We're going to come down and pick the picture that is our background picture, which is right here. Change background. And we want it to be in the center. And we don't want it to scroll. So that is that. Hit the X button. Now, we don't want this text. So you're going to just click on it and we're going to go to the trash can. Same thing here. We're going to go to the trash can again. Click that. We're going to eliminate that. We're going to eliminate this. Leave this little thing right here. I'll show you why later. And we're going to eliminate the text out of here. We're going to eliminate this. Okay, come back here, come down to where it says media, video. Now, remember I said you needed to grab the URL off that website? We're going to go back to where, here it is, right here. We're going to copy this link, and we're going to come back to our editor. We're going to double click, settings, change style. Hit delete. We're going to paste that URL in there, hit update. And we want it to autoplay. Okay? Now, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing pictures and I'm putting them on there. And if you go back over to the original website, here it is. This is our plan. This is what we're following. We'll go to image, go to here, image. We're going to upload our picture, change image, go to up, we're going to make another image, arrow button, upload that. Now, we're going to make another image. Where is it at? Where is it at? Okay, there it is. Now you're going to have to keep playing with this. If you take this thing away, it's going to, if you do that, see all this? You take that little circle there, this allows you to make your page bigger easier because it just stays there. And then after we've built the page, then you can remove this. Go to image. Change image. Go to image. No. This is your text. Now we're going to go over to this plus button and we're going to come down where it says buttons and menus. Go up to where it says large button. We're going to make it a little bit bigger than we want it. We're going to change style, edit. We want to come down to where it says background and we want it to be red. Okay? In text, we want to be yellow. hit OK, hit OK, and that. Now, we're going to change our text, and see how I did that? I'm going to go back and delete that out, and we're going to put in there information, and we want it to be bigger, so let's see, I kind of forgot. Text. Oh, here we go. Come down here, large. No, we want it bigger than that. Extra. That's a little too big. That'll work. Okay, we're going to hit OK, OK, and change that out. Okay, we're going to come back over here and look at our example page, which is the landing page you landed on, this one-page website, and we're going to go back to the editor, and we're going to come back to there, and we're going to go down to image, load up image, change image, and we're going to put this 100% commissions in. Make it smaller than what you need, about like that. Quick start guide, welcome page. We're going to go over to text, title, edit text, backspace and take it out, make it black, we're going to make it bold so it stands out a little better. We're going to put on there, what did we put down? Okay, all training on this page is free. We're going to make this bigger because it doesn't show up very big. So we're going to make this red. Come over here. Okay. Make our page a little bit bigger. Let's go back and look at it as an example. Okay, got a few more things to do and we're almost done. Go over here, capture our image. Boom. Image. Another arrow picture. Come down here. Come back here to let's look at our website. Oh yeah, that's right. We got one more button here. Go back to the plus sign. Come down to where it says buttons. Go to large button. We're going to change. Instead of my button, it's going to say step 1. Okay. Keep kind of forgetting. My dog. Don't pay no attention to my dog. Anyway, we're going to go down to where it says gallery. No, that's not it. What's that? Not there. Okay, there we go. Go to images, go to clip art. See this? We're going to change that. Well, whoops. Change clip art. No. Settings. Change clip art. Manager, people. We're going to hit the flash, and we're going to do this. And all I'm doing here by doing this is pointing an arrow towards step 1. All training of this page is free. Now, we're going to go over to change image. Notice what I did there? I make sure it shows on all pages. That way you can drag it right down here. And okay. Now, we have our basic one-page website. Let's see, make sure we don't forget anything. Oh yes, almost forgot. Come over here. Where's it at? I think it's there. There. Buy now button. Now, you have to put your information in here, the price, item name, and so on, into there, and it will make your buy now button. You can kind of see what I'm doing. And the only reason I am putting this picture in here is so that way when someone comes to your, they understand that this buy now button is PayPal. That's the only reason I'm doing that. Otherwise, people may come to your website and they may go, what is the buy now button? Okay, so, and I'm going to go into a video later on of how to make this buy now button, but the whole thing is for you to have basically built this one-page website. Now, as you play with this, you're going to manipulate things and change things up a little bit so you clean it up. But I'm going to hit the preview button here and kind of show you what this looks like. See, it's auto playing right there. we're not going to listen to the video, but you kind of see. Okay, now, I did, see how I can basically go to preview and go back to the editor? I did forget one thing that we need to do. We need to create a link and to the websites. So we're going to go over here and we're going to put in a web address. And that is going to we're going to go to our information page, which is right here. And we're going to go over to the editor and we're going to paste this into there. Okay? Now, that button will go over to this page. By doing this, you don't have to make all these pages. You don't have to make training pages. You don't have to make any of this stuff. All your main goal is to build this one page. Next step is we're going to put a link in here. It's going to be to a website. We're going to go to the welcome page, which will be right here. Okay, and how does you are? Well, I'm going to say is on the welcome page, I'm going to put all these links so that way you don't have to kind of guess. Again, we're going to post it and paste it into this here. Now, when we hit preview, guess what? We hit that, and it goes right over to your page. Okay? Hello, my name is Artisan Brown, and I am keeping it real. And when I say that, no BS, no hype. Hello, my name is Artisan Brown, and we don't need it real. And when I say that, no BS, no hype. Anyway, now that all your buttons are working, you hit the preview button. Your video plays. You can hit this buy now button. It'll take you over to PayPal. Of course, we haven't set up a PayPal button. I mean, all the information in there. That's fine. But here's, and like I said, I'm going to do a video on the buy now button and what you need to do with that. But what I wanted you to do is to be able to go through this and get this basic website up and running. This is what you're going to direct all your people to. All your prospects, all your potential customers, all of them go to this website. Now, I think I've pretty much covered everything. And once again, I'm taking you back to the welcome page. These videos are going to be real good reference to how you can manipulate this to end up with this page. Now, I've shown you in a video, step by step, it is a little bit quick on what you do, but what I'm trying to tell you and trying to show you is that everything on this page is totally manipulatable. And here's the thing. After you have learned Wix and how to use it to your advantage, you're going to be able to make your own websites, your own landing pages, and drive traffic to your own landing pages. So this is an example, but it's usable. Okay, and what you have learned today is how to take this information and quickly get a page up and running. So in a matter of a couple hours of running through all this information, you have a landing page. Now, I'm going to point out that there are landing page websites, but that you can build your own landing page, and that's fine if you want to use that, but those services usually cost money. And my whole idea of doing what I'm doing is to get you to realize this is a free method, and those you sign up is a free method, so your cost is $25. And I wanted to keep it at $25 because there are a lot of people out there, when you start talking getting closer to $50, or you got to buy tools, or you got to do this and that, they're not gonna like that idea. So this allows you to, we can keep our cost at $25. This allows you to use free tools, free methods that allow you to take this one-page landing page and use this whole system. Okay, which now you hit that button and it goes over to the information page right here, and you're going to go down and you're going to be able to read this. I mean, you don't have to make all this. You're just using that information button. Okay. Same thing with the quick start guide. You don't have to build this. You're just using a link. And I'm going to show you the members area as well. Okay, and now you also have access to all of the training in the back office. You don't have to build that. Now, of course, this website is a password protected website. So that means a person has to be approved by me to get in. And really, I am on the honor system here. That means if a sponsor emails me and says, hey, let them in the back office, I'm going to let them in. Because the truth is, I want this as simple as possible to where you don't have any out-of-pocket cost. So you have access to all the training and all your sign-ups and prospects and customers that you sign up have access to the training as well. So what we have learned today is that you are building this one-page website. That is your work. That is your assignment, and that is what you need to do today to get your business up and running. Then you're going to come back to the training site and you're going to start digging in. And see, by making the website first, you're not complicating your mind with all the training. But now you have your website made. You have this website built. Okay? Now you have everything that you need to take the training, and now you apply it to Craigslist. You drive all your traffic to the Craigslist, and you have a viable business that you could pass on to somebody else. They have the resale rights to sell the same program. The idea is this. I have given you $25 worth of value of information, and I want your sign-ups to have $25 worth of value and information. So that is really all I have to say today, other than if you have any questions, on the welcome site there's a contact button. You can contact me and email me. And actually at the bottom is my phone number as well. Now, I really want to make sure that you understand this. If you have gone through all of the Wix training and you have gone through the videos, write down your questions and then email them to me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But please go through all the videos, all the information before you ask me the questions. So that way we're not going off on rabbit trails. after you've built your website, you should receive a link from your sponsor to the training site, and then you'll have an approval to get in. And you're going to set up you're going to put your email address in and create a password. Okay, that's really about all I have to say today. I've gone on a little longer than I want to, but I wanted to make sure that I did this in great detail so that you understand of what's needed to make your website, to get into the back office of as far as the training goes, and start making money today. Okay, so that's it. Other than that, this is Artisan Brown trying to keep it real, and you have a good